In this video, I'll talk about how you can change the candle color in TradingView. What you want to do is you want to right click on your chart. So just head over to any chart, right click, and once you right click, there will be a settings button. Open up the settings and head over to symbol. Once you're in symbol, what you can do is you can change the colors right here. So this will be your up and this will be your down. So find here and select the color. Let's say you want to do light blue and press OK. And as you can see now, it will be light blue. So you can also change the other one. If you want this to be yellow, you can do it like that. So now you can see that. And you can play around with this if you want to. So you can change the wick if you want to change that one, or you can change the borders or just the body, or you can change all of them. So that is how it works. Now I like to have mine just on green and red, but you can choose whichever ones you want. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.